Currently, there's an up-and-coming artist from London called FakeMink. You probably seen him on Blackboy Max's stream and all that shit. But he's actually really sick. I really fuck with his music. I like his aesthetic and all that. So I decided to, really deep dive into his music and create some cover arts based on that. In this video, I make 3 cover arts. So make sure you guys do stick around for the whole thing because I'm gonna be, dropping gems all over the fucking place. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so for the first design, I wanted to go with, this kind of, UK driver's license. This was a concept in my notes for a while, just like a license in general. But I feel like, this was like the perfect opportunity to go ahead and do this. Basically, what I'm doing here is just replacing the text. Now, the font I use is going to be on screen right here. So if you guys want to do this, the same kind of license, all you have to do is select the background like text with the marquee tool, highlight it, and then do generative fill, and then you can remove the background and shit like that. And yeah, you just want to fill out the text, whatever is on the license, you just want to replace it. And yeah, just if you're struggling to find a font, use a font finder online, you'll find that shit easily. And then for the image, you want to just go ahead, get from face an image like a mugshot kind of picture, and then just remove the background to make it more like realistic, make it black and white. And then I went ahead and got this image of a license, just a random license on a table or wood, whatever it is, and I made it a smart object. And I went ahead and went into that document, the smart object, brought the license in, and rotated it, did my thing. I made a clipping mask just so it is in perspective with the actual image that I want to use. I want to use this table, I want to keep it in perspective, right? So went ahead and got these pills. I don't know what these are, but they look fire. And when I'm listening to his music, he's talking a lot about drugs and it. Yeah, I was just going ahead going through all these lyrics in my head. I was just like, damn, he's just fucking going through it all. I guess that's just the music, got this going. I don't even know if I'm allowed to show this, so if it's all blurred, my bad, because TikTok's been taking it down. Everything's taking this shit down. They don't want. I feel like this is one of my hardest ones too, but yeah, basically just got some sweets and shit like that, prop guns, all from all CGI, like it's all fake. But just went ahead, did some adjustments, basic adjustments. Now if you guys are struggling with your adjustments, make sure you guys do go ahead and check out my adjustment pack. I do still have the BOGO going on for another couple of days, but yeah, basically this whole cover is all about perspective. So that's what you see me doing when you see me kind of skewing it a little bit. But I'm thinking about making a whole separate video on perspective, how to do it and shit like that. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that, because if I did it in this video, I don't think it would come out well, but alright, so design number 2 is a bit of a different one. I had 2 different paths I could have went for this, but you guys will see what I ended up doing. But basically it's a CIA document, like an agent resignation document or some shit. Just getting rid of all these things with the stamp tool, the stamp remove tool I think it's called. Replacing the image with FakeMink, just an Instagram picture I thought looked fire. It's really mysterious, so works really well. It's kind of like a terrorist kind of look. Alright, that's probably not the right word to use, but fuck it. Like before, we're replacing all the text with this kind of typewriter type of font, getting these redacted, brushes off brush easy, and then getting rid of all this classified shit, making it kind of look a bit realistic, and keeping all the fingerprints and all that. I wanted to keep all that because I don't actually have his fingerprints. Now this is like the second option that I wanted to do with it. I do have another cover with it where it's just the document. I'll probably show you guys that as well at the end, but yeah, this is just something I wanted to do just to spice it up a little bit. Someone on TikTok actually said I should have kept just the document, which I did. And yeah, shit, So maybe you guys fuck with it, maybe you guys don't, because on Instagram people are fucking with this one, so it's kind of hard, you know. All I do is, you know, same shit, flip it upside down, mess around with blend modes, get this nice little bluish look up there, and it kind of makes it look like an alien in the background. You guys will see what I mean when I do it more. But yeah, you know, this just turned out really dope with the gradient map and the adjustments and all that. And yeah, you can see here it's kind of like it's like that one Apple commercial where they have the like clones on the TV or some shit. Like, that shit is fire. Design number 3. This is definitely inspired by a song. I forget which song it was, but basically a crumpled 20, you know, represents dirty money, and he was talking about dirty pounds or some shit. I don't know what he said, but the whole idea was to turn him into, you know, replace the queen, put him there. And this was like a really hard one for me to, you know, kind of comprehend. Like, I had to do a lot of warping, just a lot of fucking gradients and a lot of things, you know. You have to kind of problem solve with new things. Like, I've never done something like this, so, you know, it's good that, you know, I tried and got something, you know, that's decent. But yeah, basically you just want to mess around with the blend modes on this, you know, replace the queen the same way I did before with that, you know, remove tool. You know, shit, just match it all up. I got a little signature here, you know, just place. No one probably seen it, you know, but it's just a little things, you know, that count. Put a parental advisory there, and then, you know, we do a bit of dirty money as well, or just a bit of blood splats from Brush Easy. If you guys watch the vids, I was like put you guys onto this sauce, but it's really sick. Here's all the finished products, the finished designs. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys do want more videos exactly like this is a different type of style video that I'm trying out. I want to do like different shit, you feel me? But we're gonna see what, you know, happens. Comment down below what your favorite design is, and follow me on IG, Discord, everything like that. And yeah, peace.